Today, we are traveling to Japan through our kitchen. We are going to prepare Japanese cake snacks. So we are going to do it together. Let's go. Here are the things we are going to use. Flour, 200 grams. Sugar, 100 grams. 1 teaspoon of baking powder. 2 eggs. So I will use tablespoon of oil. 2 tablespoons of oil. Not teaspoon, 2 tablespoons of oil. So I will then mix together. Then half sugar, 100 grams sugar. Half oil. Mix well till the sugar dissolves. Half flour, baking powder. Use the sieve to remove the powder clumps. Mix well until the dough is formed. So it's okay. Cut the dough into a rounded shape. Add a little oil in your hand. Now we are ready to fry. Add oil, let it be hot for a while. So start frying. Turn it. So my people, we are done. See how fine they are looking. So my people, let's check it. Wow, you can see how beautiful it's looking. So thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe and follow us in this journey. Thank you. Bye. God bless you.